Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we'll solve page 73 from countdown 4. Number A. Number A says copy and complete. Actually, we have to find out the addition of this fraction. So how can you complete this? This one is very easy. Look, 5 by 12 plus 6 by 12. If we look at this, these two fractions are like fraction. That means both denominator are same. So if we see this type of thing, then we can say LCM of these two denominators is 12. Then we have to just add the numerator, 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? That is 11. So 11 by 12 will be the final answer of number A1. Now A2. A2 says 4 by 18 plus 3 by 18. So how can you solve this problem? 4 by 18 plus 3 by 18. Look, both denominator are same. So we have to just add the numerator. 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? That will be 7. 7 divided by 18. Okay. So that is the answer of number 2. Now number 3. Number 3 says 5 by 21 plus 6 by 21. Look at this. Both denominators are same. Okay. That means both fractions are like fraction. That means both fractions has same denominator. Then what will we do? We have to just add the numerator. So 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? That will be 11. So 11 by 21 will be the final answer of number 3. Now number 4. How can you solve number 4? Look. 3 by 14 plus 8 by 14. We can solve it in a very easy way. Look, both denominator are same. That means these two fractions are like fraction. Then what will we do? We will just add the numerator, 3 plus 8. What is 3 plus 8? That will be 11. So 11 by 14 will be the final answer of number 4. So that is the full solution of number A. Now let's go to number B. Number B, the question says add this. That means add these two fractions, writing your answers first as improper fraction. So we have to write the answer as improper fraction at first and then as mixed numbers wherever possible. If possible, then we have to convert them into mixed number. So how can we solve? Number 1. Number 1 says 3 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Look, the fractions are like fraction. So what will we do? The denominator will be 4 and we have to just add the numerator. Now what is 3 plus 3? 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 divided by 4. Now we have to convert into lowest term. How can you convert? By dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. 3 to the 6 and 2 to the 4. So 3 by 2 is improper fraction. So we can convert this improper into mixed number. How can you convert? 2 1 are 2. So what will be the remainder? 1. So our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 2. Okay. Now number 2. How can you solve number 2? Very simple. Look at this. Number 2 says a divided by 15 plus 9 by 15. Simple. So both denominators are same. So we have to just add the numerator. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9, that will be 17. 17 divided by 15. Now convert this 17 by 15, that is this improper fraction, into mixed number. How can you convert? 17 divided by 15. 15 1s are 15, remainder is 2. So our final answer should be 1 whole 2 by 15. Okay. And in this way, we can easily solve number B. Now number C. How can you solve number C? Number C says add these fractions giving you answer as a mixed number and reducing it to its lowest terms. So number 1. Number 1 says 4 divided by 12. 4 by 12 plus 10 divided by 12. Look, these fractions are like fractions. So what will we do? We have to just add the numerator. 4 plus 10. Very simple. So what is 4 plus 10? That will be 14. 14 divided by 12. 14 divided by 12. Now we can convert it into lowest term. How? By dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. 14 divided by 2, that will be 7. 12 divided by 2, that will be 6. So this is an improper fraction and it is already in its lowest term. Now we have to convert it into mixed number. How? 6, 1 just 6. So remainder is 1. So our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 6. So that is the solution of C1. Now C2. C2 says 11 divided by 15 plus 9 by 15. So both denominator are same. So what will you do? We have to just add the numerator. 11 plus 9. 11 plus 9, that will be 20. 20 divided by 15. Now, we can convert it into lowest term by dividing both numerator and denominator by 5. So 20 divided by 5, it will be 4. 15 divided by 5, it will be 3. So now 4 divided by 3. So we can convert right now in its lowest term. What will be the answer? 3 1s are 3, so remainder is 1. Our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 3. Very simple. Now C3. C3 says 3 by 10 plus 7 by 10 plus 5 by 10. 3 by 10 plus 7 divided by 10 plus 5 divided by 10. Look, these fractions are like fraction. That means every denominator are same. So we have to just add the numerator. Okay, 3 plus 7 plus 5. We know that 3 plus 7 plus 5, that is 3 plus 7, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 by 10. We can convert it into lowest term by dividing both numerator and denominator by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So 3 by 2 is now in its lowest term. So how can we convert into mixed number? 3 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, so remainder is 1. So our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 2. This is the final solution. Now C4. C4 says 5 by 8 plus 6 divided by 8 plus 1 by 8. So we have to add them. So how can we add? Look, every denominators are same. So the denominator will be 8. Now we have to just add the numerator. 5 plus 6 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So 12 divided by 8. Now we can convert 8 into its lowest term by dividing both numerator and denominator by 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. Now we have to convert it. We can convert 3 by 2 in this way. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. So our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 2. Very simple. Now number D. Number D says add the mixed number. So we have to add the mixed numbers right now. How can you solve? Number 1. Number 1 says 2 whole 3 divided by 10 plus 4 whole 4 by 10. We can solve these problems in two different ways. Since this one is the first question, so I will show you these two different ways for this first question. So at first method, that is, try to convert this mixed into improper. How can you convert? Look, 10 to the 20 plus 3, 23. Plus 10 4 the 40 plus 4, 44. So both denominator are same. So we can just add the numerator. 23 plus 44. So what is 23 plus 44? That will be 4 plus 2, 7 and 4 plus 2, 6. 67 by 10. Now convert 67 by 10 into mixed number. 6 10 is 60, remainder is 7. So our final answer should be 6 whole 7 by 10. This is the first method. Okay. Now I will show you a different method that is super easy. Look at this. 2 whole 3 divided by 10 plus 4 whole 4 by 10. At first, if you look at the mixed number, suppose 2 whole 3 by 10, in this mixed number, this 2 is called whole number, whole. And this one, 3 by 10, is proper fraction, okay? So whole number and proper fraction, these two will make a mixed number or mixed fraction, mixed number, okay? So this is very important. That means whole number plus proper fraction. When we will add these two things, then we get a mixed number. So here we can say 2 and 4, these two are whole number. 3 by 10 and 4 by 10 are fraction. So we have to solve part by part. First whole number, then proper fraction. So if I just want to add the whole number at first, that means 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4? That will be 6. Okay. So after adding 2 and 4, we get 6. Now we have to add the next thing, that is the fraction. So 3 divided by 10 plus 4 divided by 10. Okay. This is the fraction. We are adding the fraction right now. So denominator is 10 because both are same denominator. Then just add the numerator 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, that will be 7. 7 divided by 10. So just add 7 by 10. Actually, after getting the answer of whole number and fraction, just add them. Then you will get the final solution. Now we will solve 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by using the last method. Number 2. If we look at number 2, we can see that will be 3 whole 1 by 12 plus 5 whole 10 by 12. Look, at first we have to add the whole number. So 3 plus 5, that will be 8. Okay. Now add the fraction. So that is 1 by 12 plus 10 divided by 12. So both denominators are same. So we have to just add the numerator 1 plus 10. So after adding 1 and 10, we get 11. So answer will be 11 by 12. Now we'll add this whole fraction and this whole number. Then we'll get our final answer 8 whole 11 by 12. Very simple. Now number 3. Number 3 says 6 whole 5 by 9 plus 6 whole 2 by 9. Okay. So at first we have to add the whole number. 6 plus 6, that will be 12. Okay. Now add the fraction. What will be the fraction? 5 by 9 plus 2 by 9. If we add this two fraction, then we'll get our final solution. So denominator will be 9 and we have to just add the numerator 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, that will be 7. 7 by 9. Now add. So answer will be 12 whole 7 by 9. And that is the answer of number 3. Now number 4. Number 4 says 10 whole 2 by 7 plus 1 whole 3 by 7. So how can we solve? At first, we have to add the whole number. 10 plus 1, that is 11. Then add the fraction. 2 divided by 7 plus 3 divided by 7. Since both denominators are same, so we have to add only the numerator. 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? That will be 5. 5 by 7. Now add. So our answer should be 11 whole 5 by 7. Very simple. Now number 5. Number 5 is 12 whole 3 by 5 plus 9 whole 1 by 5. At first, we have to add the whole number. So 12 plus 9. What is 12 plus 9? That will be 21. So after adding the whole number, 12 and 9, we'll get 21. Now we have to add the fraction. So 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So both denominators are same. So just add the numerator 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, that will be 4. 4 by 5. So just add this 4 by 5 with 21. So our answer should be 21 whole 4 by 5. Now number 6. Number 6 says 15 whole 5 by 8 plus 6 whole 1 by 8. At first, we have to add the whole number. That is 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6, that is 21. Then add the fraction. 5 by 8 plus 1 by 8. Both denominators are same, so we have to just add the numerator. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1, that is 6. 6 by 8. So now 6 and 8 both are even numbers. So we can convert it into its lowest term. How can we convert? By dividing numerator and denominator by 2. So 6 and 8 divided by 2, that will be 3 by 4. Then our final answer should be 21 whole 3 by 4. Okay. So in this way, we can easily solve this case. That is the full solution of page 73 from countdown 4. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.